Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Welcome to my old school soul food channel. Hey, today I'm doing something for my mom for Mother's Day, and I'm saying I might well make a video of it. Today I'm doing old school tea cakes, just like she used to make them, and just like I make them. She loved tea cakes. She been taking, I haven't seen her in a couple of months because of this pandemic, trying to stay away or whatever, so she can completely stay healthy. I don't want to give her nothing that I don't have to, so I'm gonna go see her this weekend on Mother's Day, and this is all she's been asking for the past month. Baby, bring me some tea cakes. When you gonna bring some tea cakes? So I'm making her 3 dozen of tea cakes. I don't make them a lot for her because she will sit down and eat a dozen of these things in an hour, and they got a lot of sugar in them, so she's diabetic, so she don't need to be eating them, but she loves these things. So I'm making her some, and I just want to share the video with y'all. So this recipe is very simple. It's kind of reverse method of doing an actual cookie. I actually put the dry first and then add the wet. You gotta do the wet and then add the dry. But I'm gonna do it in reverse. So all it is, very simple. The flour in here. And the recipe is in the description of the video. And also I got baking powder in the flour and baking soda in the flour already. The only dry ingredients it is, only thing it is dry, is sugar, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and then the nutmeg. Then I'm gonna add all the, and I'm gonna slowly add all the wet ingredients in here. Got butter there, a little vanilla, got the eggs there, and buttermilk. That's it. They get fully incorporated in there. It's gonna be a sticky dough. That's it. See how easy that was? That is so easy. To do that in your sleep, y'all. That's all it is. Now, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna roll this out in logs, and I'm gonna chill it down, and I'm gonna cut it, and we're gonna bake them. Like I say, tea cakes are so easy to make. Take all this down the bowl here. I'm gonna flour my cutting board here. Get over here and get some flour here. Put on my cutting board here. Roll it out on the board here. This is so easy. So easy, y'all. So easy. Get it up here. I'm gonna cut it in little sections. 1, 2, 4 little logs I usually do. I'm gonna roll it. Put it on a sheet pan here. You can wrap it in plastic if you want to when you put it in the cooler. But I'm not going to even do that to these, because they ain't going to be in the cooler maybe long enough an hour. You can also put them in the freezer if you want to. And let them cool if you're in a hurry to bake them. And I'm going to just roll them in the logs. Roll them in logs here, one more. It. Do that. They don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be perfect at all. That's it. Now I'm gonna cover them with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. And let them get firm enough. What I want to do, I want to firm the butter back up, firm enough where I can cut them. I'm gonna cut them. You know, some people roll their dough out and cut them in cookie cutters. But this is such an easier way. So, cut it, cover with plastic here. Put it in the refrigerator. And we'll be back. We're going to cut them up and put them in the pan and bake them. See how easy this is? We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay. This over here. Okay. This is set up. You see the dough here set up? So now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna roll it out a little bit more where it's completely round, and I'm gonna cut the cookies. Put it on the sheet. Very simple, y'all. It's so easy, like I say. And you can make them bigger, smaller. But mine, I like my tea cakes where we had them. They wasn't that, push them down here. Some people make their tea cakes larger. Some people make them smaller. I'll make them this way. So, anyway, whatever your preference is. About 2-inch circles, that's what I do. So right here. Like I say, this makes about 35 cookies. Like I said, I take the dough, and I make sure I roll it where it's completely round. You know, I couldn't do that before because the dough was still soft. I just take it to about 2-inch rounds. However big you want them. Put them on here, now mash them down just a little. They're gonna definitely pop up and spread out. And I like a thicker type tea cake. Some people like them thin, like I say, thin and round. I like a thicker tea cake. Okay, one more here. Okay, these others on there. And that's it. Okay, see if I can get more on this pan here. Try not to make them too. And I sprayed this a little so they're not gonna stick, but I always do it just for precautionary measures, just in case. Put one on here. And that's it. We're gonna put these in the oven, 350 degrees, about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and we'll be right back. I'm gonna do another pan while we go and get it ready for the oven, but we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. And you see I took some out of the oven. I got one more pan here. All right, that's the last pan. And I'm gonna let these cool a little bit. And I'm gonna put these on the platter here. I got some already ready. Let these cool a little bit and we'll come back and we'll taste them. So we will be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, we're gonna put these rest of these on right on top of the other ones here. Let's say we got about 3 dozen of these things. So that'll last my mom a while, hopefully. She'll eat it in moderation. But it's a simple recipe. As y'all can see, it didn't take long at all to make these. It takes longer to cook them in the oven than to do anything else. Putting the dough together, letting them chill, and that's about it. So, okay. Let me taste one of these. Taste one on the bottom here that's already cool. That's why they call a tea cake and not a cookie, because they got soft. See how soft and moist they are inside? That's what you want. Very good. Alright, golden brown color. You can taste the nice nutmeg in there. And the buttermilk makes it light. That's why I use buttermilk and baking soda and baking powder. It makes it so light and not dense. That's why I use buttermilk in it. I literally could eat 5 or 6 of these. But I gotta package them up and send them to my mom. So anyway, try the recipe. Very easy, very simple recipe. Give this video a thumbs up. Please share, please comment, please like, and please follow my other social media accounts: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day.